I'm Caleb Weiss. I'm a student at Elkhorn Area High School. I am a junior now. Today I've seen a lot of different companies coming together, teaching me about all the different products that they make. I learned about some really fascinating stuff about huge companies like NASA, and I got to learn about the Mars mission, and that's something that really interests me. I kind of get to explore and see fields that I normally wouldn't get to see just out in the real world.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Blum. I am the Library Media Specialist over at Elkhorn Area School District. I think the best part about this event is that we've really brought a melting pot worth of students with us. A lot of these kids are very interested in like engineering type fields, but some are not. They're not as inclined with that. So with different types of kids, we want them to see that there's opportunity in all of these fields. If you're a writer, or if you're more into marketing or a creative side, or if you are into engineering or the manufacturing side, there's really a place for everybody.
Every year or even month like there's just new advancements, and it's almost hard to keep up. So, and I think that's really interesting, and if, I don't know, for whatever reason game design doesn't work out, then I'd definitely look into this industry.